Oh, so there, that's how I get chat up. Okay. Oh, the movie's pretty good. Like, I watched it and I was surprised by like how much I liked it. Hold on. Again, I have to fucking redo this link. Now I have to... I'll turn off listen, so then I can actually have just microphone set up. Should have done this all before I started streaming. Now I can have desktop open, and now I can hear you. I'll turn off listen audio, so then I can actually have just microphone set up. That's video. That is not at all close to what I just done clicked. This all before I started streaming.
I'm gonna be a bit of a critique here, Ryan.
Open, and now I can hear you.
I just started watching your a goodbye
Audio
video.
How do you see that?
It was on my notifications. I clicked my notifications and I got 3 notifications. I got one by Nilex. I got Do You See It short video and then a goodbye 17 hours ago. Watching your a goodbye.
That
critique you.
Was not made to be public. I made that so I could send it to Bella.
I might be critiqued. Yeah. 34 seconds in, you jump like you scared me. Then it switches over to him. Where you going? Who switches back? The light in your room is on and the door's open.
Yeah, no, that's a big thing. Yeah, so yeah, me and Bella caught that. Well, I said me and Bella, I recorded the whole thing, and then the next day while I was editing, I'm like, "Are you kidding me? The door's open. How did I fuck that up?"
Pretty good reaction on the fucking jump scare. Like, oh, fuck, scared me.
Now,
I'll give you that.
If you're gonna watch it, I don't want to talk about it at all because it was meant to be a very private thing for me and Bella, not to be uploaded. You can watch it, but just not on call with me because I hate it.
Why'd you upload it?
Because Bella was on her iPad and I couldn't send her links, so I just was like, I'll upload it for literally a second. And I did. I uploaded it.
You forgot to.
No, dude, if you go on my channel right now and you refresh, it's not there. Because I unlisted it. But because you must have clicked the notification and because it's only unlisted and not privated, you can see it.
Yeah, now it's on here. I got For You, which is the game development story, 3 random horrors, and then the 7-Eleven accident.
Yeah.
Then my videos, 5 days ago. Do you see it? Nothing before that. Nothing
Also,
after.
what am I trying to set up right now? Why is this not doing what I wanted to do? You know what? I'm gonna delete that. I don't want you to be there. What's input? Audio input capture. There we go. Okay, fuck you. Again, not doing the one thing I want. I want to add like what I added to... Oh, chat box, not chat blocks. Chat box. I added it to screen. Where is it? There. I don't know how I want this. Because it sort of takes up the screen.
Somewhat. Bocchini. Don't remember. I'll grab it.
Always show messages. No. Yeah, this is... So now chat shows up on stream. Don't know why I need that to tell me that. What? Oh, application audio there. Discord. Window. Discord. There. That way I don't need desktop audio on. And it can hear you talk. Yeah, okay, it can hear. I'll add another one for Unreal the engine. Add new source.
Still trying to figure out to the stream.
Well, now I'm just adding audio things so it can be picked up without me having to.
Does my Discord audio jump to 100?
Because of pure racism.
Yeah, I'm pretty racist.
I'm gonna send some messages in chat to see if it pops up.
What was that, sir? Ah.
You know how your Ryobi batteries need charging?
Yeah.
And charge at the car.
Yeah.
Oh.
That's all what the phone. Went what?
I don't need all these tabs open. I just need this one.
Plug, as you know. But we've got a little vacuum cleaner in there. And we've got the lantern, so we can charge the batteries in the car.
This shows up, but it's not showing up.
Oh, how much you get it for?
35.
That's not bad.
Brand new.
That's not bad.
Never been used.
He did start off a lot higher. I've been watching it for a week.
70 started off at.
Yeah, 70 or 75, yeah.
75, yeah.
Then he slowly come down each couple of days.
I'll put this in the middle.
Fuel chemistry in vehicle charger.
That's not bad find.
Charging the vehicle 12 obviously outlet. Ideal for charge.
Oh, actually, I wanted to show you a car that I found.
Finish my payment. Finish the corner. I get the corner and across to there.
Yeah, Dave can do the rest. Or we'll do it tomorrow.
I can start doing the rest tomorrow. But that's
Okay.
the mongrel in that corner.
When do you want him to have a look at the car now, or?
What do we got?
Oh, you've already sent it to me.
Who?
Levi.
Yeah, okay. I'll
Yeah, I found a
show
car that's
this.
not too bad. It's a Triton Ute, 3500.
What?
A Triton Ute.
Petrol.
Yeah. 2.4 petrol. Doesn't have Roger or roadworthy, but looks okay. Apparently won't need much for the roadworthy.
Yeah, you know what? The thing that's everything set up. I'll actually start.
I found this last night,
Coding.
so I decided to just jump on, see what I can find.
Camera actor 2. What, 1?
And it's in the bay, technically. It's just past Sunny
Camera.
Acres.
Actor 2. And then I want camera. Camera. Camera actor Shri. I want to expose on spawn because doing this means it feels good to stream now because this is how I usually talk when I'm by myself anyway. I speak like I am streaming when I'm not. Pretty much doing a tutorial here on how to make a game. What am I doing? I want to make a custom event begin. This is gonna pretty much be where the code starts. Don't want this actually. I don't want anything in this. This is just a. I'm actually at a cube, but hidden in game. This is just gonna be a blueprint. Get player controller. Set a target. The first target will be the first camera actor. Reason being, so all I do is just add this here. I'll reset you to the middle. I do need like a floor. Change the shape till I'm gonna do red. This way I can see. Lights. I'll just put a bunch of random ones. I'll change each color. So this will be white, this will be blue, and then this will be green. Grab each line, make it movable. Reason being, because then I'm just going to add a camera. I'm going to name it menu camera 1. This will be the first camera. Camera 2. Camera 3. With them, now when I click this, we get options to select the cameras. Now when I press play, hold on. When I press play, I want to, because I just realized, event begin. We don't run event begin anyway yet. Now we press play, this is the first camera. And then what I want is, I'll make action mappings of this. Input action menu. Next camera. Input action menu. Previous camera. Next camera is going to be D. Previous is going to be A. Then with that, we then go disable input for the player controller, and then enable input to self. With doing that, I gotta remember, because it's been a while. With doing that, that should disable the player's input when I make a player character, and then enable this. So then I can go input. I want to make a print string. Make them very obvious. Next camera, POV. Copy and paste. Previous camera, POV. Next. Previous. Good. With these now. I'm gonna add a new thing, camera index, make it a integer. I will give it a tooltip. This is the current camera POV. Then what I want to do is make a custom event switch camera.
Frick you. You're dying.
Make an input, make it next. The reason we're going to do this is so we can go, if it's next, we want to then add it.
Oh shit, I'm confused.
And then I want to do just a, can I do, if we come back here and I grab this, can I do select? We don't want to plus this. We just want to grab this. Now, if we do a select, we can go this, or this camera. and then connect them. Then I do have to grab the player controller, bring him here. The blend time, I'll do literally a second and cubic in. Then we want to plus to it, but we want to clamp it. Minimum is this, max is 3. Then we do want 2 of this, but then do select. I just realized we can do that. Instead of doing a true or false, we can do a select. We can do a boolean. If it's true and it's next, we plus. If it's false, then we can take away.
I love how I have no idea what the hell you're talking about.
To be fair, I'm starting to get to a point right now. I'm starting to get to a point where I don't know at this point.
Just saying random words, make yourself feel smart. Like,
I'm just coding in a way that I think is right, and if it fails, I know a different way of doing it.
Like, yes, this integer is meant to be 7.3.9.
Because that will take it away.
Mediator
minimum is
of
0.
5.
Max is 3. And then we come here. We'll set the target to whatever this is. Which I think then I don't need to do this. I can just connect it to this. Let's see how badly this goes.
Everything crashes. The computer literally just says, fuck you.
Switch camera. Next.
Didn't even know a computer could say fuck you, but it just told me to go fuck myself.
That should... Why did it keep going?
Where to now? Man, I should make a house. Even go for this dead mom.
I wanted to...
Where's the chest? Oh, did it burn?
While doing this, I want to format actually. To text.
Oh, there it is.
And then format.
Okay.
Next camera index. The reason I want to do this is to know what the number is.
It still crazy to me how trash gold armor durability is compared to iron.
Are you playing Minecraft?
Yeah. I jumped on my Cobblemon world. I can't even say Pixelmon. I'm just traversing the lands, trying to find a good enough place to call home.
Do I have to add a clamp? Oh wait, I might have to add the clamp before that.
Have I been that way yet? I don't know if I've been down there yet. I'll go there anyways.
No. It keeps going. Oh wait, it's because I'm saying it as a max of 3 when there's only 2 numbers. Why am I doing that?
I've been here yet. Looting time. Man, I'm a fucking loot goblin. I just rob people.
Next. Next.
Finally, my last green apricot. Oh my god, I've been searching forever.
Then
finally got an apricot. Oh, and there's more. Look at that.
Then I'll literally just duplicate this and then do it with this, but not do next. So now it should take away. Now it should be a delay. It should be a retriggerable delay of 1.
Check on my backpack. Where's the item? Grab that. And then boom, bam, bam.
No. We're gonna make a do once.
I need blacks. I need blacks. I need blacks.
Completed will be this.
2 blacks. Are you joking me? What? Where'd they all go?
and then we delay it.
Fucking god. You're lying to me. How the fuck do I have no black apricons? Where'd they go? I had black apricons like fucking ages ago. Now, I was searching 7 gajillion days to find one
Beautiful. We actually sort of
green
have
apricon.
it set up how I want it to.
Now I need to search another gajillion days to find some black apricons.
But first, I want to get rid of this. And then we're going to just make a new custom event. Reset camera switch.
Maybe this thing over here.
And then just do this. Reset camera switch. I'm going to drag these out and then make camera switch blend. The reason we're doing this is so then I can change the camera switch blend without having to update the delay. I'm not liking how this is set up, so we're going to clean this up.
Surely just one black apricon. Actually, no, I need 2. Surely 2.
Do it this way. Bring you up. Clean you up. Again, I want to clean this
and craft it. I've been waiting so long for this day.
I would like you to not be there. So I'm actually going to clean this up even more. Yes, it makes it longer, but it also makes it look cleaner. So I always would rather readability than small texts. Blueprints is what I was going to say. Reset there. Camera blend. Switch. Oh, wait. We name it event. Switch camera. Then event begin. And then input next / previous camera. And there we go.
Finally,
that's how you make it
clean.
clean.
Oh, I've been waiting so long for this.
Add this. Set mouse. Set show mouse. I forgot what that was called.
But there's. Oh wait, no. No. I still need a Zygarde core.
End game. We're gonna create the widgets soon, but for now we're just gonna do it like this.
I have the cube.
Control R. So now click in, because the idea is each character.
Where? Show me right the fuck now. Where's Ho-Oh? Where is he?
Each character is gonna be here. Or static. I wish there was a mesh.
Stand me. He's at the top of that tower. That makes a lot of sense, but down me to scale that tower.
I'll do cylinder.
I need Ho-Oh. My 3rd legendary. Oh brother, yes. This is what I've been waiting for. Go, Zapdos. Fight your creator. Actually, wait, no, you're not the creator. Lugia is. Who cares? Fight. But don't kill him. He's in level 45, actually. This might not end too well.
I really need you to be opening on this screen.
Oh, I can buy another 2 eggs with those, because I don't need them anymore.
I should download my game.
Oh my god, Zapdos is holding out.
Remake.
He's holding out. One more Thundershock should be okay. Please!
Everyone watching the stream that doesn't know, I'm remaking this game. Remaking the diner. But like better. because it's been 4 years and it's the only game that I have not remade. So I'll remake it and make it better. I'm gonna open it in a minute. I'm just so now that'll be Freddy, Bonnie, the basement. Then we're gonna have arrows here with the text saying the level name, settings here, and quit here. Well, settings here, quit here. Small button, so you go boom, click it, and then these do that.
Yeah, that's the one. That's the one. Give me.
I want to have like the main thing here, so I will do this now. Widgets.
You fucking healed, you bastard.
Widget blueprint. What is this called? What am I gonna call this called? What am I gonna call this called? I said level.
Call it cold.
Selector. I want a size box. I want to actually replace this with a size box, not the other way.
Man, the ball, man. Please. Don't make me kill you.
Height override, we're gonna go like 750 by like 1,300. How's that look? That's not what at all I wanted to change. I wanna desired.
Stop trying to make me kill you. Come on.
975. This looks honestly enough. I want to add a border.
At least use
I want to add another border. Make this border dark with a padding of about 3 off each side.
These are gonna count.
That way, in this, we're gonna have a vertical box, and then in that box, we're gonna have another border with a text. This will be centered.
Now you sweat. Now you fucking use roost.
Then we're gonna size this up. I'm gonna select this. I don't want a border on this. That way, this little guy hits them all.
Wait, I can use it. I can use a timer ball. It's been over 10 turns.
Should be this. Top. Yeah, this is how we change that. 15. I'll go about 10. Just enough to clean it up. Also, I will add a
Okay, that did fuck all.
border to this to make them larger.
Should have expected.
We're gonna bind this to a variable called level name. Get level name. This will be an expose on spawn type thing.
Yeah, dusk ball.
Reason being is then I could change it to level name. I want to have description like this. Make it full. Make that about 35. Fill that. I want to have another one of this, and then a.
Oh my god! I just fucking yeeted my ball off. Okay, whatever.
Play.
I only have 8 more.
The description.
This is looking good.
Padding. Don't need that to have that much padding. I just want top to have like 5 and bottom to have 5, so it's different. Play.
Oh, just stay in the ball.
Now this will have to, on clicked, open level, and this will have to be another
Son of a bitch.
Open level. this should be exposed on spawn. This will be level info. Then for description, again, we want to bind it. We go format, reason being, so then we can go, first off, we actually do this. We go description, and then description. Then
you
make
killed
a new thing.
Kill my boy. You really kill my boy like that.
Make a new text. Call it level description. Put it in here. Instance editable this. Drag it out. Drag it in this.
Next, yeah, of course.
Then get level description. Boom, boom.
Okay, they just sleep. Now I use nightmare.
I want to rename this button to button play level.
Why would you do that to me?
Now with this button play level,
Hypnosis.
this will be all right.
Hypnosis.
I'm not going to connect this. I'm going to print string
Protected.
format text, I forgot, and then format opening level. This is all for debug, or Levi, because I didn't write level right. Levi. Then what I want to do, oh, I just realized the only thing with this, I don't know how it works. Can I just add arrow, not arrow, widget interaction? If I go mouse, does it matter where this is? I'll do like 100,000 this, visibility, show debug. Left mouse button.
Give me more crits. Give me more
Press pointer key. Left release pointer key. Left released pressed. Go blueprint. Go this.
Surely.
Make an actor. BP menu.
Motherfucker.
Level selector. Add a widget.
U-turn is
Get level selector. Get this.
Wait, what did he kill my boy? Why am I changing? I'm not changing.
Get widget.
Oh, did he throw my boy out? Wait, what?
Can I do
So confused.
bind? I don't know if that works with this.
Oh my
First off,
god,
I didn't
U-turn
connect
switches
that.
me. I'm so dumb.
Level. I don't know if that's how this works. I haven't used 3D widget. Bind. Or no, I think if we do it this way.
6%, come on.
Get
Stay in the
all
fucking ball.
get all actors of class. Well, no, it doesn't make sense. Get widget cast to this.
I've been hit for 35 turns. Come on, just
Then
stay
to
in the
level.
ball. Fuck. His special defense is that high, it won't go any higher. Just let me catch you. Finally! Oh my god, finally!
I wish it was just as easy.
Took so damn long. I have a Ho-Oh now. Who do I swap?
As the exposed
Zoroark's really
stuff.
damn good, actually. I
Get.
can't even keep him. I might get a Center Scorch.
If I do set level name, and then I did it here. And then I dragged it in front of main camera, which is this over here. Then I flipped it, scrolled it way down, and then scrolled it back, and I named it.
Down to the bottom of the bell tower now and climb this entire thing. But I finally got him.
Yeah, but if that's named Fred, are all of these gonna be named Fred then? Damn it. Because what that's doing is that's actually setting it as this. Get child component, and then cast that. Child get class get all actors of class.
Find the sky pillar and
No.
shipwreck of Melville.
Get
That's the bell tower destroyed. This is the entire.
This is a
bell
child
tower.
component. Why would I want to get a child component from a get a child component?
It's so
What
fucking cool.
could this be? Why did I decide to make it like this? Okay, so if I did bind, so I'm gonna make a new one. Event dispatcher bind info. No, I want this to actually be an event. No. How do you do this? Unbind. Cool. Yeah, but that's if you call it. Do I just make this literally a custom event and do event bind info? And then with that, we grab the level name, the level description, and then we connect all these to this. Comply, go to the selector, get widget, no, get widget, cast. Oh wait, there's get all widgets of class. And then we do this.
Fucking hell, I'm an absolute retard. I'm just gonna fly.
Then get a copy of them. Cast to this. And then get widget. Can I do that? No. Get child component. Does this connect to anything? This does connect to that. Get index. Does this? No. Get actor. No. Get. Can I just fucking get a reference or get a copy? Get ref. I want to get this. Just like I wish it was just as easy as get and then set.
You're never gonna get it.
I'm not gonna get this because with this event bind. Well, first, what do I call this? Event bind info. If I do level name like this, this won't work. So if I name you Fred, You not Fred. You 1, 2, 5, 4. You didn't do anything. You didn't do anything. Okay, well that just didn't fucking work at all. Like full stop didn't work. Get ooh, wait, hold on. Get child, get class. No, of course this doesn't work. Get widget. Wait, I can do that? No, no, of course I can't. Get. That still don't work. That still don't work. Of course it don't. That don't. Get widget. Get. Set widget? Why would I need to set the widget? Set. What the fuck does this mean? What the fuck? What the fuck? What does this mean? I haven't done this in such a long time.
Are you still streaming all this?
Yes. This is part of the process.
Someone's gonna come across this stream and be like, man, this guy is just stupid.
Hey, it's part of the process of developing games. You don't know what the fuck you're doing.
Going crazy?
Of it. Yes. Yes, it is. Can I just turn this?
Good thing I never got into this. I'm already insane enough.
Wait. Why does that work? Except that one. This one works. This one don't. Okay. Okay. That's
so fun.
That get. Can I get shit from this? Yeah, get widgets a class, which is not get. No. Get. I want to just like have this. Get widget space. Why would that? What does that mean? Just description.
Descriptors.
Oh shit! I just. Why don't you work? Could you just work for me too? Why are you still called Fred? I'll figure it out sometime.
Eventually.
Why did I get pinged in the server?
Because they want you.
That's not actually for me. That was just an at all. I hate at alls. Just let me have this.
Man, you're going crazy. You might need some time off.
Widget. I'm not getting off this. Because this is why I got on. If I just do this.
To lose your mind?
That's still the same. That's okay. Well, now that does one thing, and that's it. Just copy it all. To be fair, this should be titled this. This should be titled Fred, but I changed it. Wait, what? Wait, what? Did that fix it? Are you kidding me?
Named it a different name, fixed it.
No, I changed the I forgot what it's called. I changed the get things, and that works now. Did that actually solve it?
So you meant like you named it not Fred and it worked.
I wish that's all it was, but I had to change a bit of code. Freddy's level, and this will be you play against Freddy. I don't even care if I spell that wrong. Bonnie's level. You play against Bonnie.
Against?
Yeah, I don't know. Who knows anymore?
I don't.
And then Endo's level, you play against Endies. Next, Bonnie's. Oh my god, it works. Why does it work?
It worked.
Because it's just, it doesn't make sense why it works. Also, I'm gonna change the keybinds of next to this. So then you press A and you cycle down. Okay, good. Now it's just fully custom, so I don't actually have to deal with bullshit again. Except I will deal with bullshit. I'm dying.
So it's okay, Ryan. It's okay.
See, the only big problem with this, how I have this set up, not this, this is all fine. I can keep this all the same, is the fact that I need to press play as well. Level, open level. This currently doesn't need to actually be assigned to anything. I just need it so I can have it set as the names so I can make sure that's right. So now when I press play, yes, it all works. Okay. I don't like how close it is to the edge, but
why is this bell tower so tall?
So what I was talking about was the blueprint menu camera. When we switch and it's clamped, I want to actually I want to do a check before this do once. I want to do a select. If index is more than or equal to 3, or if it's less than or equal to 0, do a branch. If it's true and it's less than or equal to 3, or it's less than or equal to this, do nothing. If it's false, do something. That way, it shouldn't. No, it still does. That's kind of annoying. If it's false, it shouldn't do anything. Why does it do stuff? This is 0. Let me check. Hold on. Get rid of this. Now we'll do some debugging. It's because of this. Oh, I just realized it won't ever go up because of how it's set. If it's true, then we should go up. I'm gonna just reconnect this and then I'll drag this code out and then I'll explain it. Because when we press D, which is next, it still goes to this do once. It should not go to this do once. But if I set this, we start at 0. Or do I just literally... Do I start it at 1? Okay, so if we start the index at 1, that means we have to clamp this and then clamp to 3. which means I have to move this down to be like this. Because if we do it like this, right, that means the index will start at, wait, make sure it starts at 1.
Why does it keep putting me in the ground?
Gotta go previous. Now it ends at 3. Goes to this. Okay, so now with that, if it's equal, more than or equal to 3, or if it's less than or equal to 1, I don't want it to go up and I don't want it to go down, but it will still break it because of it doing that, because of it needing to be at 1 at the beginning. See here, it's not going up because it's on 1, but if it's true, it will go, but then it won't ever go up here because 2, it's not in the OR. I can, however, do a Boolean check and say on first camera and then on last camera, and then have these as a Boolean.
I'm made to the fucking top.
This way, I'm gonna reset it all back down to.
Oh my God. Did I do that all in one night, or has it already been skipped?
Like this. I'm just gonna do another select node. Connect it on here, add another one. Come back here. Minimum 0, max is 2. You know, to be honest, I can leave it at this, but I don't like that when you press it, there's a random delay. So I don't want to do that. So I'm going to make a new thing. We're going to make a new event. We're going to call it check camera. Check camera active. I didn't even spell event right. I'm losing my mind. Select.
You're joking.
I'm just gonna click this. Select. Get camera index. I want to just get. I'm gonna grab these. Then, what we're gonna do is, if it's more than or equal to, okay. I want to do, oh fuck, I deleted the OR check. If it's less than or equal to 0, or it's more than or equal to 2.
My fucking God, these creepers.
If it's this,
Trying to piss me off,
need
man.
OR. Then have a select. Wait, if I have a select end, can I do that with this? No. Connect these back. Branch. If it's more than, if it's less than or equal to this, we're on the first camera. If it's false, we're not on the first camera. I'm gonna do another check, and we're gonna check this. So that's true. So I should do this, unselect it. This is not an efficient way of doing this at all, by the way. Do it. if anyone's watching this, that is not an efficient way of doing this. Like, at all.
I believe it's efficient. I'm not even watching.
And with it being this, I want to grab this, or now if I grab these, if it's on the first camera, I don't want to do this. I want to do select. I want to do it like this. Next. If it's true, if we're on the first camera, I want us to go up. And if it's on the last camera, this doesn't make any sense actually now I'm thinking about it. If it's on the first camera, we should go up. We should switch, which then goes to 2 and then 3. If we go 2 and 3, then we'll deselect that. If it's on last camera, I only want it it's on first camera, then go up. This is not making any sense. Why did I do this check? I'm just gonna fucking stick with the random delay between switching. Because I'm starting to break my mind with unnecessary checks.
I know.
We will deal with that if I ever get told, hey, that's an issue. Till then, you can deal with the random little delay if you press that. Because it's not that bad. I will down the switch though to like 0.3. No way, it's like pretty much instant. I will up it to 0.6, so it's nearly a second. Uh, 0.5, point this. No way, it's like pretty instant. Yeah, it's good. All right. Add a new thing. Widget. Menu. I'll just call it main, because it's pretty much main menu. Then I want this border to be at the bottom here. I want it to be like 1 up. Reset this, size it up, make it black. That's not it. Brush, make it dark. Then add a horizontal box. This, then we want a button, a text, and a button. We're gonna fill that. We're gonna fill this. We're gonna fill this. Then with padding, for left, I want at least a 255 gap. And the right, I want a 255 gap. This will be centered and aligned like this. I'm gonna put text on these for next, and then it like this for now. Because then what we do is we on button next. This will be button previous unclicked. I want a bind previous bind next. Then this is a variable. We're going to call it text level. Want to bind this. Get level name. Level name. Level. Make that expose. Reason being, because then we're going to go to this. Find this, drag you all the way over. I want to create the widget. Main thing. I do realize I'm going to have to change that. I want to promote this. Main menu. Add to viewport. This will be the widget in focus. Connect this. Go back to main menu. Do not expose on spawn. Do not do this. Now we're going to have to go back to this, which also I'm going to drag here. So now it should be popped up. Yeah. Still click this, and now I can click this. Yay. Okay. Then off this, I want to drag this over here. I'm gonna check my messages real quick. My woman, okay. Bind ed. Next, bind ed previous. Now with this, all we do is make a custom event next, a custom event previous, and then event next, event previous. This theoretically should work. Yeah, it does work. Does the same thing though, so it's gonna be fine. And this is for people that don't want to use their keyboard. So you can cycle through. I don't know if I want to put it up here, so there's like a button here. But this is the main menu area. But for each thing, what I'm thinking is there'll be a spotlight here that shines on the character and the text. And every time you click it, it's going to turn it off, turn on the next one, turn off the next one. And they'll play a little animation of the characters kind of activating. But this is all for a little preview. I do need a pee, so I will go for a minute. But I'm happy that's set up. I will connect this soon. Actually, now thinking about it, I can do that. I can just expose on spawn. Come back to here. Recompile. Wait, hold on, make sure I save and compile. Well, compile and save it should be, not that way around. Come back to my main menu here. Then if I do select, add another one. Camera switch. No, I don't. Why the fuck do I always do shit like this? Don't expose on spawn. Don't do this. We'll just make an event for this. Custom event set level name. and then set the level name. That way I can do it via the switching. Set the target. Grab this, validate it, is valid, event, set level name, and then select, and then based off what one we're in, we'll have the name. Because we want it as this. So Freddy's level, Bonnie's level, Endo's level.
Another Zapdos? Oh, please. I'll take that.
Oh, I didn't connect this, that's why. Bonnie's level, Freddy's level. I will do this right after creating the widget. That way, it's set. Then let's make a little animation for that while we're here.
Brother, 2 Zapdos just spawned back to back?
So
what is this?
Switch level. This, add a transform. We're going to add a render opacity. So start here. Go 0. We'll just dip it down. We'll go 1, and then we'll reset it back there. Then on this, we'll do it here as well. The set level name. We'll grab the animation, play, on, end, assign, finished, bind animation to animation finished. Custom, finished, anim. Then we will do it like this. So then this way. Yeah, okay. I will have to switch blend, so 0.5. Oh god, I dragged this into the previous camera. Where's the switch thing here? Then, so everything honestly works how I want it to. I'll just down this. It's because I have it. Fuck, of course it is. Back to main menu. It's literally because I have it on assign to end. What the fucking, why is that so ass? Where's the main menu? I need to change these so I know which one. I set it as 5 whole seconds to swap. It should take 0.5 of a second. 0.5. So honestly, these should be at this, and these should be at this. Get time. Get time remaining. If it's less than, it's halfway. Branch. It's true. Set the level name. Assign unfinished to this, to this. Get time remaining. Get elapsed time. Sort of. That's sort of what I want as well, but 0.5. It's because it's because I'm doing it on fucking finished time.
Stop fucking spamming here, you piece of shit.
Okay, it's because it's saying the name. Where is set level name? I might do it a little bit of a kind of hot glue fix where I'm gonna do a little bit of a weird fix. This is not what you should do, but it's my game. I'm gonna make it 2 different ones. Well, yeah, actually, I could literally just do this. And then all I have to do now is I can actually just come back here. I don't need to do this hot glue method. Alright, I think I'm gonna leave the stream there at that.